Okay, so we are getting ready to cook.
Yes, indeed. So we about to cook broccoli soup. So it's a copycat of the broccoli cheddar soup from Panera Bread. So we're gonna try it out, and you're gonna show them the ingredients that we have.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So what we have here is we have broccoli, garlic, carrots, pepper, cayenne pepper, flour, salt, half and half, and I was supposed to have a quart of this, so and I don't have enough, so we're gonna do half and half, and then milk,
16 ounces of milk.
right, cheese, and also we're supposed to have chicken stock, but we don't have that either, so we're gonna use beef stock instead. So I don't know if it's gonna compromise the taste, but hopefully it's still good.
So we subbed a couple of things out, but yeah, we're the ones gonna be eating it. So.
Right. Then we got onion, Velveeta, and butter. So we're gonna go ahead on and get started with our cooking.
Indeed. All right, so we done put the onions and the butter in a pan and put it on medium, and added some garlic to it. How much garlic was it?
1 clove.
1 clove of garlic. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this, and we're gonna let it cook for probably about 10 to 12 minutes, and then move to the next step. All right, so we just added the cayenne pepper, and we switched the stuff to from the pan over here to the pot, and then Lachey just added some flour in, and then she's gonna mix all of that together real nice. Them onions taste good. All right, and then we're gonna add the beef stock, but it should be supposed to be chicken, but we didn't have chicken, so adding that in. 4 cups of chicken stock.
A whole onion and a cup of flour. You told them a cup of flour?
Yeah.
A cup of flour. A pinch, well, salt and pepper to your taste, and a cayenne pepper to your tasting as well. And the reason why we had to switch pans is because the whole meal is going to be in this pot.
Yep, so we're gonna be adding the broccoli and everything into that. All right, so now Lachey is adding in the Velveeta cheese.
It was a pound.
So a pound of Velveeta cheese. So 2 cups of shredded sharp cheese. Starting to look real hearty. Make my mouth water.
Look at that mouth.
All right, so now we're gonna add 16 ounces of
Milk.
whole milk, and then 16 fluid ounces of half and half.
And actually the recipe calls for 32 ounces of half and half, but we don't have 32 ounces of half and half. So we don't want 16 ounces of half and half and 16 ounces of milk.
Great value.
But hopefully it still turns out good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be delicious.
So we switched the pots because it was gonna be, look right here. It was gonna be way too much in this pot, and so our pot, we don't have big enough pots, so that's why we had to like add another pot.
And so we put half of the, so it was 10-ounce bag of carrots. We put half of it over there, and then half of it over here, and then the same with the broccoli. We had 4 stalks of broccoli. And we put 2 stalks over there and 2 stalks over here. So that's what we're looking at. Looks pretty good.
And it was steamed broccoli.
Yeah, we steamed the broccoli in the microwave. before we
so
added
it's gonna
it.
cook about 5 more minutes and it's gonna be done. And we're just stirring occasionally to make sure that it doesn't scorch on the bottom.
Alright.
Alright guys, so our food is ready, it's finished. There it is, smoking hot. Whoops. Okay, there's Tashawn's. We'll put a little cheese on it. There's mine. The kids have theirs. And I'm not gonna be able to taste mine right now because it's super duper hot, but it looks so good, doesn't it?
Well, I'm gonna dig in.
Okay, well, let's see how
Hot or
Tasha.
not. I'm hungry. It is hot.
It's hot.
Delicious. Delicious.
What you doing, Wally? Stop playing with the cheese.
Yeah, this is good. The onions, boy.
Look at that cheese. Ooh, wait. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Ooh,
No.
in the bed. Oh my goodness. Renee think that's funny.
I
Yes.
have to wash my beard all the time because food.
So, in comparison to Panera bread soup, how does it taste? Is it close?
It's close.
But Panera bread is still better.
I hadn't eaten Panera bread in a long time. Dude, this is pretty good. I can see how this could be said to be the same as that broccoli soup. It does taste very close to it.
You don't like it,
If
Miles?
not-
No.
Miles said he don't like it. You don't want it? You don't have to eat it.
No.
Wally, you like it?
I do like the cheese.
You like the cheese. Renee, you want Miles soup?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna try it. Cause I still haven't tried it yet. And we put this right here is actually a whole cup of onions, and the recipe called for a half, but we like onions, so we put the whole thing. So here we go. Mine look soupy. Why you always have? Oh, cause you used the cheese, the garnish cheese.
Yeah.
Very good. But you know what we forgetting?
Bread.
Our garlic bread. Let me go get it.
Wings? No.
Ooh, look at that.
It's me. You're gonna run out of time.
Woo.
Delicious, huh?
Renee, would you want us to make this again? Or it's not one of your favorites?
I want you to make it again. I don't.
What Miles said he don't.
Or you don't.
Renee normally likes everything that we fix. Usually. But everybody else, not so much. And Miles typically like a lot of things, so I know if Miles don't like it, Ava and Josiah definitely won't like it. You full? Y'all, Tashawn said he full. Look how much you ate. Barely nothing. So this stuff is filling.
Look at that. It's good.
It's good with some garlic bread.
I like just eating garlic bread.
Because we don't have
The
the Panera. Yeah, the baguette. So.
But garlic bread will do.
And it's good too. Oh yes.
Yes, indeed. Okay, and then we still got another whole nother pot over there to eat. Lean a little bit more forward. Lean forward over your napkin a little bit more. Lean your body on.
Who are you talking to? Wally?
Wally, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Would you do anything different next time? Or you do the exact same thing?
It seemed like the carrot should have been steamed a little bit. Even though the carrots are a little hard.
Oh, so you want the carrots to be softer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Other than that, nah. Everything is good. Get some water.
This stuff is filling.
You getting full too?
Yes, ma'am.
So, thanks so much for watching our copycat Panera bread broccoli and cheese soup. See you next time.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.